Welcome to COM136 Online. Let's take a quick tour of our Niihka site. We're on the home page right now. You can see the introductory video, which is what you're watching, a quick link to the Getting Started tab, which you can find over here on the left, link to the course Poplet, which is just a course map, a quick link to the course calendar. You'll find course calendar links everywhere. You want to make sure you make a copy of that to your own Google Drive, and then information about contacting IT help. With an online class, it's inevitable that there'll be some kind of bugs with the course and possibly with your own technology. If you have trouble, contact IT help immediately. They'll send you a help ticket. You can send that to me, and then we'll figure out what we need to do in order to help you get everything done. If you click on the course Poplet, you can see it literally is a course map. It shows the Getting Started tab and what's in that, the gradebook, announcements, email and email archive, the online classroom, which we'll take a look at, and then the modules within the classroom. Some people work better with a view like this. We're just going to go through each thing individually. So you can see all of your tabs over here. Getting Started is the first thing that you should check out. It's got tons of information in it. Again, links to the course calendar. You want to make sure you're logged into your Miami email, your Miami Google account, so you can access everything. Information that you need to know about what you need to be able to do an online class. Info about me, about the course, a link to the syllabus that you can print and or copy to your own Google Drive, another link to the course calendar with information about how to copy it to your Google Drive, and expectations for both of us, and the breakdown of the assignments with the links to the rubrics, the grading rubrics. Definitely check those out so you can see how I'll be grading you. Here you see our grading scale, guidelines for communication, technology, and then what's next. You can directly link to the online classroom to complete Module 0. You do need to complete Module 0 by the due date, or you may be dropped from the course in order to make room for somebody else. We'll just go ahead up here and click on the online classroom. When you go in here, you won't see, oops, sorry, I went to Module 1 already. You won't see all of these modules. They will open as the last module closes. Most modules will close on a Monday at 7:59 p.m. That's not always the case, so you want to make sure you check your course calendar. For example, Module 0 is not that way. But we'll take a look at Module 1. This is a typical module. It has the objectives for the module, what you should know by the time you finish the module. Time management. Most modules are 1 week, with forums due Thursday, comments due Sunday, and the completed module due Monday. There'll be a lecture for every chapter. It's a narrated lecture, so make sure you have sound. And then there'll be links to videos, articles, things that are of interest to the topic. There'll be some kind of practice quiz. You should definitely take the cumulative practice quizzes. They pull from the same question pool as your graded quizzes and your exams, and they're not graded. You can take them as many times as you want. Module discussion, if you want to talk about the things that you've watched or read from the module, you can post in there. And then you'll see your graded activities. And again, a link to the course calendar. You might be noticing that this is really important, so make sure you follow that. We'll always have a forum discussion question where you'll have to post, and then you'll have to comment on 3 other people's posts. There are, the responses are guided responses, so make sure you look at the options. You'll have a reflection assignment. That's something that you'll be doing that applies the concepts to your own life, and there'll be different options within there that you can choose from. And then there'll be a quiz for each chapter. In the bottom you'll see module checkpoints. It's going to ask you, have you read the chapter, posted in the forum, commented on 3 other people, completed and submitted your reflection activity, and taken the quiz. If you have, you're done with that module. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you contact me before the due date so that we can work on it. So the other things that you'll find on the left side, online classrooms, you'll always go for your modules. The grade book, typically I'll grade things within a week. Usually it's faster than that. Any announcements, usually I'll post an announcement every week with feedback on the module. Your embedded librarian, that will come in very handy when you're working on your group project. Email, so you can email me from here. You can also email other people in the class. Email archive, you can go here and see emails that I have sent to the whole class in the past. You can search the site, there's training and support and help, and then this takes you back to my Miami. So that is our course site. If you have any questions, let me know ASAP.